Hello everyone. The point of sale search with PLU number on Odoo apps will help user in international supermarkets to control the inventory. User have an access to allow or disallow the PLU search from the point of sale configurations. User can set in PLU, that is in price lookup code for each and every product, which will be in 4 to 5 digits. User will enter the PLU number on the search bar of the point of sale session to find a product in the point of sale screen. After installing this module, we need to do some point of sale configuration. So let's get into the settings. In the point of sale, we can see an option to enable an PLU search here. Okay. After enabling this option, so let's get into the inventory. Here under products, we can see the products. So for each and every product, we can enable an PLU number. Okay, so here for this product, I have enabled a PLU code as 1234. And like the same way, I have enabled another more products. And here you can see that for this product, this will be available in the point of sale now. So let's available this particular product into the point of sale and add a code as 0123. Okay, so let me save this one and get into the point of sale Now here in this point of sale screen, user can enter the PLU code or a number on the search bar which is available in the point of sale screen. Now let's enter the code here. So once you start entering the code, it will automatically fetch that product, okay, which we add a PLU code on that product. So for example, let's add a product name as 123 as well as to 4. So from here you can see that based on the code, it will fetch the product accurately. So in this way, we can make use of this module to help user in international supermarkets to control their inventory management. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries, and if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.